Hi everyone, welcome to my Back to Basics episode 1. Today let's learn how to make chicken stock. The ingredients required to make a basic chicken stock are fresh carrots, bay leaf, peppercorns, unpeeled onions, shallots, garlic, chicken bones and chicken meat. I don't have celery or leeks available here in the market nearby, so I am making use of carrot tops and shallots instead of celery and leeks. Then of course we have tarragon and thyme. I am making use of the dried ones. Now to the pot add the chicken. The key to deep flavorful stock lies in the bones and the meat. Raw bones, especially those with some meat on them, give the stock a rich gelatinous texture and deep umami flavor. Chicken bones, bone marrows and even fish bones make excellent choices. If you roast the bones beforehand, it adds an extra layer of richness and depth, particularly for darker stocks like meat or lamb. Now we can add the ingredients. Add the carrots, unpeeled onions, shallots, bay leaf, peppercorns and the carrot tops. Then crush the garlic and add it to the pot. Add some salt. Then add the tarragon and the thyme. One common mistake while making stock is boiling it vigorously. Boiling forces the impurities from the bones and meat to mix up with the liquid, leading to a cloudy stock. To get a clearer result, gently simmer the stock over low heat for a long period. Simmering allows the flavors to develop slowly while impurities rise to the surface, which you can skim off as it cooks. It's all about patience. Good stock can take several hours. Unpeeled onions add a lovely natural brown color to your stock. The onion skin imparts a mild sweetness and deepen the overall color, especially useful in lamb stocks where a rich dark hue is preferred. Avoid using potatoes for clear stock. Stay away from starchy vegetables like potatoes. Potatoes release starch as they cook, which will cloud your stock. Instead, stick to carrots, celery, leeks and onions for a balanced and flavorful broth. You can also use a pressure cooker to make a quick stock. However, keep in mind that using a pressure cooker can cause the stock to become cloudy due to the vigorous boiling process. Once the stock is ready, you can sieve it by using a muslin cloth. You can refrigerate the stock once it's done. The fat will solidify at the top, making it easy to remove. I've boiled my stock only for 3 hours, but look how beautiful it turned out to be. So shimmery and so golden. These tips will help you make stocks that elevate any dish. Stay tuned for more fundamentals on cooking on my Back to Basics episode. So I'll see you next time.